Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green onions in water. This easy method requires just a few simple items you likely already have. First, gather the white and light green ends of your store-bought green onions, ensuring they still have their roots. Next, find a small glass or jar that can hold the onion bases upright. This setup is the foundation for your continuous harvest of fresh green onions right from your kitchen. Once your green onion bases are in the glass, add enough water to submerge the roots fully, but avoid covering the cut tops. It's crucial to change this water every 1 to 2 days to prevent mold and keep the onions healthy. Position your glass in a location that receives plenty of sunlight, such as a bright kitchen windowsill. Good light exposure is key for vigorous growth and vibrant green shoots. You'll be amazed at how quickly new green shoots emerge, often within just a few days. Once the green tops reach about 6 to 8 inches in height, they are ready for harvesting. To harvest, simply use scissors to cut the green stalks about 1 inch above the white root base. This method allows the plant to regrow, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh green onions. Your green onion bases can regrow several times, offering a consistent supply. After a few harvests, you might notice the growth slowing or the bases becoming less firm. At this point, you can either discard them or try transplanting them into soil for potentially larger and stronger plants. Remember to always discard any bases that become soft, mushy, or show signs of mold to maintain a healthy kitchen garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.